Welcome back to Paul and Benny. Today we're making homemade kind bars. We are doing our best these days to eat as healthy as possible, 80% of the time. That means almost no sugar. We might be stopped for a milkshake and a cheeseburger once in a while, but most of the time lately, we're really trying to do better. And I'm not saying kind bars are super healthy or low calorie. However, compared to a Snickers bar or a traditional granola bar or any of those protein bars out there on the market, kind bars are one of the healthiest low sugar bars you can get. Plus, they're not really processed. They're whole foods put together, held together with a small amount of sugar, and you decide what's in them. So it's really a win-win for someone trying to do better or someone that needs some treats, some snacks when you're on the go like us. You know, I don't want to always have to stop somewhere and grab something. I can keep it with me. I know what's in it. It tastes good. It's satisfying. And it'll get me through till I get home. So here's the recipe. The recipe typically calls for a third cup of syrup. We're using less than a quarter. So there might be a slight bit more crumbly than typical. It doesn't bother me at all. I love them. I hope you check this out and you make them yourself. See the caption below for the full recipe. This really is such a good treat. Super low in sugar, but I put less than a quarter cup, but we're really trying to do less sugar these days. Plus there's raisins in here. Plus I may or may not drizzle some chocolate over a few of them. The coconut, the cinnamon, the raisins, the almonds, the pecans, the pumpkin seeds, the peanuts. It's so good. You can do whatever you like. Some dried apricots in here, some walnuts, some pistachios, change up the seasoning, some cardamom, Maybe some white chocolate chips and cranberries if you're into that kind of thing. You can make them citrusy, some dried pineapple, some mango, whatever you like. But it's crunchy and chewy and sweet and salty. I love the coconut in it. It's so good. And no, it's not having some blueberries and salmon, but it's light years better than grabbing a Snickers or a Pop-Tart. I hope you make them. I hope you love them. We're grateful for homemade kind bars. We're grateful for you watching.